You don't need to be a stock market genius to grow your wealth. What if I told you there's a simple, proven strategy that can help you build financial security over time without constantly watching the market? Let's talk about low-cost index funds and how they can revolutionize your investment strategy. Why index funds are a game changer. When it comes to investing, many people think they need to pick individual stocks or time the market to make real money. The reality is, most of us are better off doing exactly the opposite. It's not about chasing the next hot stock. It's about investing consistently, intelligently, and for the long term. One of the most reliable and effective ways to do this is by using index funds. If you've heard the term and feel confused, don't worry. I'm here to explain exactly why index funds, especially low-cost ones, are a powerful tool for growing your wealth passively. But first, let's take a step back and ask, what exactly are index funds and why are they such a big deal? What are index funds? At its core, an index fund is a type of investment fund that attempts to replicate the performance of a specific market index. In other words, instead of buying individual stocks one by one, you're buying a tiny slice of every stock in a particular index. For example, one of the most well-known indexes is the S&P 500, which includes 500 of the largest U.S. companies. An index fund that tracks the S&P 500 will invest in the same companies in the same proportions. This means when the S&P 500 rises, so does your investment. The beauty of index funds is their simplicity. You don't need to worry about picking individual stocks or trying to time the market. The index fund automatically gives you exposure to a broad range of companies and industries, reducing the risk of putting all your eggs in one basket. Why low-cost index funds matter? Now you may be wondering, why low-cost index funds? Well, here's the thing. Investing in index funds is already one of the best ways to passively grow your wealth. But choosing funds with low fees makes the strategy even more effective. Here's why. Every time you invest, the fund charges a fee. This is called the expense ratio. While index funds typically have much lower fees than actively managed funds, not all index funds are created equal. Even a small difference in fees can add up over the long term, eating into your profits. For example, let's say you invest in a low-cost index fund with an expense ratio of 0.05%. Over 30 years, that small fee can have a huge impact on your returns compared to an index fund with a 1% expense ratio. It's a no-brainer. Lower costs mean more money in your pocket, and that's the power of low-cost index funds. The power of long-term investing. Before diving into the best low-cost index funds for passive investing, let's take a moment to talk about the power of long-term thinking. The key to building wealth through index funds is patience. It's not about short-term gains or overnight success. Index fund investing is about steadily putting your money to work for decades. Think about it this way. If you invested $1,000 in an S&P 500 index fund today and earned an average annual return of 7%, which is in line with historical returns, you'd have $2,000 after 10 years, $4,000 after 20 years, $7,612 after 30 years. That's the magic of compound interest, where your money earns money over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And the best part? You don't need to watch the market every day. Just keep adding to your investment over time and let it do its thing. Top low-cost index funds to consider. Now that you understand the basics, let's explore some of the best low-cost index funds for passive investing. These funds offer broad market exposure, solid performance, and most importantly, low fees. 1. Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTSAX. Vanguard is one of the leaders in low-cost investing, and their Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTSAX, is a great place to start. This fund invests in a broad range of U.S. companies, including small, mid, and large-cap stocks. It's a one-stop shop for exposure to the entire U.S. stock market. Expense ratio, 0.04%. Minimum investment, $3,000. Why it's great, VTSAX offers a diverse mix of stocks and a very low expense ratio, making it a top choice for passive investors. It's perfect for long-term investors who want broad market exposure and are willing to commit for the long haul. 2. Fidelity 500 Index Fund, FXAIX. If you're looking for exposure to the largest U.S. companies, the Fidelity 500 Index Fund, FXAIX, is a fantastic option. This fund tracks the S&P 500, which includes 500 of the largest and most established companies in the U.S., from tech giants like Apple to financial powerhouses like J.P. Morgan Chase. Expense ratio, 0.015%. Minimum investment, $0. You can start with any amount. Why it's great? FXAIX is one of the lowest cost S&P 500 funds available, with an expense ratio that's hard to beat. It's perfect for investors who want to focus on large cap stocks without the hassle of picking individual companies. 3. Schwab US Broad Market, ETF, SCHB. For those who prefer ETFs, exchange-traded funds, the Schwab US Broad Market ETF, SCHB, is a great choice. This fund gives you exposure to the entire U.S. stock market, including both growth and value stocks. Expense ratio, 0.03%. Minimum investment, $0. But you'll need to buy shares in increments of 1. Why it's great? SCHB is one of the most affordable and flexible ways to get exposure to a broad range of U.S. stocks. It's an excellent option for both beginner and experienced investors. 4. iShares, Core MSCI, Total International Stock ETF, IXUS. If you want to diversify beyond U.S. stocks, the iShares Core MSCI Total International Stock, ETF, IXUS, is an excellent option. This fund provides exposure to stocks from developed and emerging markets outside the U.S. and Canada. Expense ratio, 0.07%. Minimum investment, $0. Why it's great? Diversifying internationally can help reduce risk and provide growth opportunities in other markets. IXUS offers a broad international exposure with a low fee, making it an excellent complement to U.S. stock funds. 5. Vanguard Total Bond Market Index Fund, VBTLX. While stocks often get the spotlight, bonds are an important part of a well-rounded investment portfolio. The Vanguard Total Bond Market Index Fund, VBTLX, offers exposure to a wide range of bonds, including U.S. government bonds, corporate bonds, and mortgage-backed securities. Expense ratio, 0.05%. Minimum investment, $3,000. Why it's great? Bonds provide stability and income to your portfolio, especially during market downturns. VBTLX is a great option for passive investors looking to balance their stock holdings with a reliable bond investment. How to choose the right index fund for you. Choosing the right index fund depends on a few key factors. Your investment goals. Are you looking for growth, income, or a mix of both? If you're focused on long-term growth, broad market index funds like VTSAX or FXAIX are great. If you want to balance risk with stability, consider adding some bond exposure with funds like VBTLX. Risk tolerance. Stocks are generally riskier than bonds, but they offer higher potential returns. Make sure you're comfortable with the risk level of your chosen fund. Time horizon. The longer you can leave your money invested, the more time it has to grow. If you're planning for retirement in 20 or 30 years, you can afford to take on more risk with stock-heavy funds. If you need the money sooner, consider adding bonds to your portfolio. Common mistakes to avoid with index funds. Chasing short-term gains. Index funds are for long-term investing, not quick flips. Don't try to time the market. Stick to your Plan and stay invested for the long haul. Not rebalancing. Over time, some of your investments may grow faster than others, leading to an unbalanced portfolio. Rebalance periodically to keep your asset allocation in line with your goals. Ignoring taxes. Some index funds are more tax efficient than others. Be mindful of taxes, especially if you're investing in taxable accounts. The bottom line: building wealth the smart way. The best part about low-cost index funds is that you don't need to be an expert to succeed. By choosing the right funds, staying consistent, and thinking long-term, you can grow your wealth steadily without constantly watching the market. Index funds allow you to capture the market's average returns over time, and when you keep fees low, you maximize your chances of achieving solid returns. By investing passively, you give yourself the best shot at financial freedom, and you don't need to stress about the ups and downs of the market. So, which index funds will you choose to start your journey? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on passive investing. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear which index funds you're investing in or considering for your portfolio. And as always, keep learning and investing smartly. See you in the next video.